free time activities with the DO English for young learners. Do yoga. I do yoga to relax and improve my flexibility every morning. Do meditation. I do meditation to find inner peace and reduce stress. Do a puzzle. I do a puzzle to challenge my mind and have fun. Do crosswords. I enjoy doing crosswords to keep my mind sharp. Do a science experiment. I do a science experiment to learn new things and have fun with science. Do homework. I do my homework to keep up with my studies and learn new things.
Come on! Is doing homework a free time activity?
Doing homework is a lot of fun, and fun things are done in free time. Kids, what do you think about that? Do magic tricks. I love to do magic tricks to entertain my friends. Do rope courses. I like to do rope courses because they are challenging and fun. Do gardening. I do gardening to enjoy the outdoors and grow plants. You can visit the Junior English YouTube channel for other carefully prepared fun free time activities. Until next time, take care and keep spreading positivity.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to join the Junior English family and like the videos. Let's be a big family together. See you in the next video. Bye.
Junior English presented